In the Antares Plus, we have a video keratoscopy module that has been thought to allow the clinicians to get information about the ocular surface and, for example, tear meniscus aids. So let's ask the patient to put her chin on the chin rest. Okay, I'm creating once again a folder, and I'm selecting the video keratoscopy mode. Then, as you can see, I can acquire a color image in several ways. So let's, for example, look at the bulbar hyperemia here. I can put in focus the bulbar, bulbar part of the eye, of the ocular surface, and I can get a photo, or I can select the movie mode. I can zoom in or zoom out, depending on the size of the picture I want to get. So let's zoom in and let's get a photo. So I'm taking a photo here, and can you please open the eye? Yes, in this way. And I can use an adjustment if I want to remove, for example, the Placido light and leave just the white light here. So I remove the rings on the corner. I can get more information from this area. Once again, I can acquire with the bottom of the joystick here. So in this way. And this is the information, this is the picture that I can get, and so I can analyze the level of bulbar hyperemia in this case. In this modality, it's possible to get an image of the tear meniscus, the lower tear meniscus. You have to select the tear meniscus mode here. And the setting is in zoom in this case, is quite far away. But you can see here that the lower meniscus is clearly visible here. And so you can acquire the image in this way. And these images will be processed later on. Okay. I can also move to a flow mode. In this case, the system will integrate it in the camera a couple of things. First of all, the blue light to enhance the fluorescence, and a yellow filter barrier to enhance the contrast. So if I put fluorescent inside, I will get a very contrast image of the fluorescent pattern in this way. I'm showing to you now the video keratoscopy module, and so I would like to show how it is possible to quantify and grading ocular surface reaction, but also the tear meniscus age from this module. So I'm using a pre-existing patient, so I can select the image that I wish to grade. For example, I can select something like that. This is an upper lid version, and I can, for example, quantify and grade the papillary conjunctivitis using the system, the reference system. For example, here I can quantify grade 1, this picture. Or I can also, for example, measure the tear meniscus age. Here you can have a photo, so an image, a picture of the tear meniscus age, and I can pick, for example, the magnification here, and measure exactly the height here. And so I can have the measure, in this case 0.21 millimeters, so of the tear meniscus height. Or I can also, for example, measure, let's have a look at the, for example, bulbar redness in the same way. So once again, I can select the conjunctival redness here, so the grading scale, and pick what is matched with my image here. And so I can pick the second or grade of the conjunctival redness.